in here. All right, let's move on. Turn it around. Turn it around. All right. Chickweed is looking like it's coming back. One of the first plants to come out in the spring. Well, it looks like we can go up this mud hill here, but it's too pretty down here. Let's go down here. Did one of my drumming videos down here. The rocks are beautiful. More chickweed. Chickweed all over the place. Look at this. All edible. That's in its young stage. I did a drumming video here. That tree snapped off. Tree snapped off there. We'll cross over here without slipping, without dropping the camera. Oh, this is beautiful. Slippery. Stuck on a branch. Teddy hopper. Here we go. You see look at that. Something happened here. The park probably used this hose to drain some of this off. Look at this. Alright, I'm going to shut the camera off. Get back down here. Well, I turned it back on again because I think this looks so good to show all the. I'll hold this with this hand. Alright, show how high this is. Lots of mushrooms, all kinds of mushrooms grow back here too. Get this stuff piled up here. Let's see, turn it around. All from water. All from the 3 flash floods in the summer. And they weren't for days, they were just for a few hours. One went for about 10 hours. Well, that's how long it takes for it to get up. I don't know how long a flash flood lasts, but it's a few hours down for something like that. Wow. Very windy today. Alright, wait till the next spot. Unless I see something unusual. Oh, here's something unusual. Oh, we have barberry here too. This is edible barberry. This is a ducky. Somebody's ducky. What's it say? What does it say? Does it say? Can I get it in there? I don't know what it says, but it says something. Ow! Stuck with that barbecue. There we go. I'm gonna throw it in my mouth. There's nothing left to it. Dehydrated. Alright. Well, this is the first flower I've seen. This is a false marsh marigold, and I suddenly forget the name. False calendine. This is called false calandine. Look at it. It's in the marigold family. It's the first. It'll take over the woods in the beginning. There's 9 petals, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 or 9. 1, 2, 3. Yep. False calandine. They'll take over the whole. They're the first things to take over. Anyway, it's pretty. They were brought in as an ornamental years ago, is what I've read. And they took over. They're supposed to take the place of actual marsh marigolds that were more expensive. But they took over. So, like, I'll come back here and I'll show you another video. Those plants will take over for a season. Then the May apples will be all through here. Anyway, let's go. Head on down here. This is for Miss Love. This is for my lady here. She wanted me to film this chava. You see this big hunk? Check it out. Chava. Let's go around this side. Oh, it's hard doing with a fishing rod in their hand. So, my lady, we do a lot of plant research, wild edibles. She says something about this could be possibly ground up for coffee. But I don't know why you would want to do that. Well, I think it's about to speak. Jim, what would this thing say? Hey, Dave, get down to the other hole and see if you can catch some more of them big minnows. Sounds like a good idea. We got some cirrus clouds up there burrowing around. Big tree squeaking. All right, let's get on down here. There's another pool down here. Gets deep enough, unless it's washed away, but I think it'll be deep enough to catch a few minnows, then we'll be done for the day. Check it out. Oh, it got swept out too. Well, let's see if we can catch one out of this rinky-dink hole. Folks, it's amazing. There's some pretty big sardines in these little waters. Let's see if we can catch one. Let me just aim it down here. Let's see if I can catch a sardine out of here. Let me get this down here. Let's see, maybe I can get one here. Try it like here. Let's see if we can get one. Hold on, this ain't the best way of doing it, but I don't want to lose anything. Alright. Nice little branch here. Alright, hold on. Cast it. Sorry, Jim, I forgot you were in the bag, man. Sorry, I got the cushion in there. Alright, so just gonna dip it in here and hopefully there's some decent big minnows. This was a whole big like pond, but it got blown out. See if there's anything in there. Well, at least we caught some fish earlier on in the main hole. This was supposed to be the main hole. It's probably a dud. One more flip over here. This hole got wiped out. See, I drifted in front of this little something in there. There's not much space at all. Anybody there? Nope, they are not home. Anyway, we're at a beautiful spot. We got the other videos in. And I'll cut the tail end of this one out. Most likely. Get all right today. Get all right, Dave. Get me the heck out of here. All right, Jim.
Last chance, Dave. We gotta get down here and see if we can get it here.
I have to carry it down through these roots now. Hold on. Let me put the rod in this hand. Get caught in there. Whoa. Okay. You should be able to get something out of here, Jim. Let's give it a try. Just gonna briefly set the camera up somewhat. Get that out of there. All right. Is this all the way swept back? All right. I don't know what I'm getting here. I do not know what I'm getting. So in that case, I'm gonna turn around. Let's see if we can get a fish. Here's the last one. We got some. Oh, see, Sonny, he's got the light there. Sun shining directly on. Say it like this. This ain't going on. All right, we'll put it right here, just to show that we are really fishing, and maybe we'll catch a fish. I don't have time to take my backpack off here because I've used too much of the folks' time up. All right, let's flip this worm out. Oh man. Should be some sardine in here willing to bite. Oh, yes, there was one. This is not action-packed enough to put up though. Oh, I got a tangle on the tip of my rod. Oh, come on. Let's get one more big one. Oh, big minnow. Creek chub. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, guys. Now, these weren't as big as the other ones, but they're there. Oh, man, there used to be giants in this spot. Trying to hear. Ah, well, this video is not going up. I would have went to the goldfish pond today, but it's too windy. Way too windy. Yeah, there's some little ones down tapping it. All right, I'm getting out of here. They must be really small because I wouldn't have missed a big one that many times. Well, folks, that's about it. We had an adventurous day. Well, it's not over yet, really. Who knows where we're going to go next? Turn it around here. Keep walking down. I mean, this is magnificent. These blown out stones here. Look at this. That's where we were. Caught nothing down in that bend. Oh, let's get out of here. It's very nice, very nice. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, this is